Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to fix Wi-Fi disconnects frequently in Windows 11. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. Our first step, click on your Wi-Fi icon. Then click on your Wi-Fi, so this is my Wi-Fi name. Click on it. Then click on Properties. Now in Network Profile Type, select Private Network. Now cut this window. This will fix your issue. If you're still getting the same issue, move on to our next step. Click on your Windows icon. Click on the search box and type View Network Connections. You will see this option, View Network Connections. Click on it. Now right-click on Wi-Fi option, Wi-Fi icon. Then click on Properties. Now click on this option, Configure. Now in the last tab, Power Management, click on it and untick this option. Allow the computer to turn off this device to save or untick this option. Then click on OK and cut this window. That's all, and if you're still getting the same issue now, move on to our final step. Click on your Windows icon again in the search box, type Services. Click on this Services option. Now you have to search for a service called WLAN Auto Config. This is the service WLAN Auto Config. Right-click on it. Then click on Properties. In the startup type, select Automatic. Now click on Apply. After that, stop this service. Then again, start this service. Click on OK and cut this window. That's also, these are the 3 steps you can apply to fix your Wi-Fi disconnect issue. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.